down this way. So where you gotta go for a hotel? Where's that at? Yeah. We at Jenny's Restaurant and Sosua guys. And today we're gonna do an interview with them about the restaurant. It's a Haitian restaurant, and we're gonna talk a little bit with Jenny, and we're gonna find out some things about the restaurant, when it opened, what type of food they serve, what type of drinks they serve, and we'll be right back. Soup. Okay, and this no. They don't smell.
Hi.
All right.
Haitian food.
Haitian food right here.
Hello.
Let us see. Let me come right up on it. Let them see the Haitian food right here.
Sopa.
Sopa.
Yes. Sopa.
Sopa.
Yes.
Soup. Sopa soup. Okay.
Soup.
Okay. Okay.
Soup.
And what's the name of the soup?
Soup mori.
Soup mori.
Oui. Avec vermicelle.
Okay.
Yeah. Carotte.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Ici, ça c'est bar Jenny Sosua, numéro 144. Tout le temps nous ouvert. Nous-mêmes nous ouvrons depuis 8h jusqu'à 10h du soir. Nous toujours là. Nous toutes. Ça c'est pour
44. Number 144.
Sosua Beach.
Sosua Beach.
Yeah.
And
we got the best Haitian food.
They have the best Haitian food in Sosua.
The best fish.
The best fish.
The best lambi.
The best lambi.
Tacho, griot, cabrit.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever you need, we got it.
Yeah, we have it.
Okay.
Everything.
Okay.
We got pina colada.
Coco, pina colada.
Can't forget the Haitian flag.
The Haitian flag right there.
You know we gotta represent.
Yeah, you see it? Yeah.
And this is for all the people in Quebec. You know we got the Quebec flag
Right here. Bam.
Yeah.
A lot of Haitians there. A lot of Haitians there.
Can't forget Quebec.
Yeah. There you go. I'm cool from home. Lakai.
5 étoiles là, oui.
Yeah. Oh, that's 8-star?
Yeah.
5 stars.
5 star. Okay, I see 8. Okay, I see this. Okay, 5 star.
On nous représente Baccarat tout pour nous bailler.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bon bagay la kay.
Yeah.
La ven tout bay sa nan bay. Jenny bar.
And they got the shirts. You see the shirts again?
Oh, non nan, mi sa te bel kosinera.
Yeah.
Baccarat canal là tout. Nous tout
Okay.
Baccarat.
Pablo, presente Luna.
It's another liquor in Haiti. I was telling you that my buddy has. I'm gonna bring it to them.
That's the best cook right here.
That's the best Haitian cook in
the best cook
in the DR. In the DR.
The DR.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You know we represent out here. You know.
See? All right. We're gonna sit down. We're gonna interview her, but you can translate. We're gonna interview her.
No problem.
Ask her some questions.
Okay.
Okay, don't be shy, Jenny, from the Haitian block.
Don't forget Philly in the house.
Yeah, Philly is in the house without a doubt.
Yeah.
Forward it so you can see it. Yeah. Let me try it. Let me try it.
That's the wake up soup.
What is it called?
That's Mori soup.
Mori soup.
Yeah, but in Spanish it's bacalao.
Bacalao.
Yeah. See, my Spanish getting good.
Yeah, you hear. What's up, Jenny? I got a couple questions for you. You can tell her. Okay. The number one question is, how long has your restaurant been open for?
Question numéro 1. Pour combien de temps le restaurant ouvert? Depuis qu'il est ouvert?
Parle Creole, Spanish, whatever.
5 años tenemos.
Okay, 5 years.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what do you specialize in? What type of food do you specialize in?
spécialisé là-dedans?
Pescado, poisson créole, poisson grillé, lambi.
Okay.
Okay.
You can-
Good Haitian.
Good Haitian food. So she basically got, if it's Haitian food, she cooks it.
Yeah. Depuis c'est manger haïtien,
Sí,
ou café.
toute qualité manger haïtien.
Okay, okay.
Tenemos todo.
What made her get started in the restaurant business? What made her?
Qui ça faut pour décider pour ce restaurant de faire bon là?
Parce que moi, un pile haïtien, américain qui a venu, pas un pile restaurant haïtien, j'ai décidé, ok, amour pour pays, pour patrie, pour représenter Haïti dans la plage là, Sosua.
Okay. So I understand. So you want to represent?
Yeah.
She want to rep Haiti.
It's a lot of
Haitians
Americans, a lot of tourists that come
okay.
and they always wanted to know Haitian food and
Okay.
she just wanted to do something.
Okay.
She just wanted to do something for the Haitians.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm all for
Do-
país.
Do they cook Dominican food here? Do you have any Dominican food you cook here too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
she make Dominican food.
Okay. Okay. And how long? Well, I could ask another question then. Since you left, how long you been here? Since when did you leave Haiti? How long ago did you leave Haiti?
Combien de temps quitte Haïti?
Ça fait au moins 12 ans. Ok, avec
Oh,
Puedo,
like-
Qatar, étudié ici. Et puis,
Okay. So like 12 years ago. Like it's 12. What'd she say? Those?
Yeah, 12 years
Yeah, 12
ago.
ago. Yeah.
She studied over here.
Okay. Oh, at the university. What did you study?
12 años.
Okay. What did you study at the university?
Qui sont étudiés dans
Sciences
l'université?
comptables.
What's that?
Sciences comptables.
Comptabilité.
That's accountant.
Oh, account. Okay, so she's good with the money. See?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. And after this restaurant do good, ask her, do she want to open it up like a franchise? She can have like a franchise of them, like more. If this do the restaurant do good, she want to open up more.
Et puis ce restaurant bien marché, est-ce que t'as aimé font qu'on franchise pour ouvrir l'autre sous même nom?
Ah oui, oui, ça c'est rêve nous. Nous t'avons mettre un secrétaire dans chaque ville ici là.
Okay.
Sueño.
Okay.
Sí.
Ask her if she's looking for any partners. I'm gonna try to reach out to some of my people and see if she's looking for some partners, like in the States or something.
Soit chercher monde pour investir avant li konon.
Into your restaurant.
Pour louer sous ta investi pour ba ouvrir plus gros.
Bon, c'est rêve nous et ça n'attend. Nous t'avons envahi République Dominicaine avec sabol lakay.
Okay. Okay.
Sí.
All right. She's down with that. Okay.
Yeah, she said, you know, she want to be all around the DR, you know.
Yeah.
The Haitian flavor, you know.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Yeah.
Because I got some people in the States and other places. They want to invest
Yeah,
in Haiti or a Haitian on the island.
Haïtien qui font bagay, yo besoin investir.
Oui, c'est ça.
Yeah.
N'attend nous très ouverts pour ça.
Okay. And how good is her Spanish? Ask her to say something in Spanish.
Parler en espagnol parce que yo besoin d'entendre
Yeah.
ou parler espagnol.
Yeah.
Yo c'est espagnol ou bon.
Ask her, yeah. Yeah. Say something about your restaurant in Spanish.
Qui jan restaurant qui jan restaurant la fonctionner, ou mettre en espagnol.
Don't be shy. Don't be shy.
Aquí tenemos todo tipo de comida haitiana, pescado, grillo, tazo. Todos los dominicanos más o menos les gusta la comida haitiana también.
And everything.
Yeah.
That's the beach chairs right here.
Yeah.
You know.
Tenemos la silla, parasol, todo.
Okay. And what made her what made her move to Sosua when she came here? Like, what really captivated her to stay in Sosua?
Ki sa ki fò lò vini sit se Sosua te deside pou te vini?
Non, pa deside vini Sosua, m desan Puerto Plata, men kom se Sosua ki lieu touriste la isi, se la nou deside ouvri restaurant, men nan Puerto Plata.